Hey guys, this video is the first video with my voice, so don't be bothered please. Because today I will share you my experience of how you can work faster in your Kali Linux terminal using keyboard shortcuts. First of all, if you want to open a new terminal with short keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+Alt+T. And if you are a multitasker, you use Ctrl+Shift+T and it opens a second tab that you can use both tabs with different sessions, different commands, and different purposes. Now let's start typing at the terminal. In this video, I mostly focus on cursor movements. As penetration testers and ethical hackers, we often have so long commands. In this case, I have just a string with echo command, and we often edit some commands after we paste it from our cheat sheets. And we move like back and forth by using arrows left and right. We can use Ctrl+A to jump in the beginning of the command, and we can use Ctrl+E to come back in the end. And also we can use Ctrl and left and right arrows to be faster to jump from word to word. Now for cleanup tricks. You can delete everything before the cursor by using Ctrl+U. And if you accidentally deleted any command, you can use Ctrl+Y to bring it back. It works like undo function. It's fantastic.
Ding, 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 boom. Okay, shin, boom.
Because we often delete some necessary words and necessary commands accidentally. Also, there is another shortcut that deletes the previous word one by one. Ctrl+W is used for that purpose. Now let's talk about command history. We all know about this command. And there's two sections, two columns, specified command, executed command, and related, let's say, ID. For our command, echo command, there is ID 1985. And if you want to execute the same command again, you can use exclamation mark and the ID number of the executed command, and it's brought back, and you can execute it. But I think it's not very useful because first you need to list the history command, and you can find you need to find ID number, then you should write it again, so it's not very useful. Instead, you can use the same exclamation mark, and instead of using numbers and ID numbers, you write the first word of the used command. For example, in our case, let's use nmap command, and it retrieves the latest nmap command we have executed recently. Also, by using exclamation marks, I can share you another trick. We often use responder command that we always forget that it should be executed as a root, and we are very bored and we need to write everything again with sudo command. Don't be sad, guys. You can just write sudo and double exclamation mark, and it does everything for you. It's very useful.
Star Wars.
Also, in the end of this video, you can use Ctrl+D to close the session, but be careful because it delays everything. It delays everything, including window, so be very, very careful. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something new, and we will see again in the next one. See you guys.